Welcome to Get Fit with Dave. In just a short few days in Canada, it's going to be July 1st, which is Canada Day, July 4th in the States, which is Independence Day. And that means barbecue season. What I'm going to show you is just a few different ideas that you guys can do to throw on the barbecue instead of the traditional hamburgers and hot dogs or chicken. I hope you guys enjoy. Come with me. Welcome back. Right here I have my father Henry, who's going to help me grill some stuff on the barbecue. Enjoy. Here I have asparagus with pepper and olive oil. Once it's done, you want to take it off the grill and place it somewhere nice, and it should look like this. Next on the grill, we have pineapple and Polish sausage kebabs. After 5 to 7 minutes, you want to flip and rotate the kebabs so that they're evenly grilled. Now we take them off the grill and we're going to see what they look like. There you have it, grilled pineapple and kielbasa kebabs. As you can see, the salmon is on the barbecue and the smoked chips are starting to crisp. You want to leave this on for about 2 to 2.5 hours. At this point, you can see the smoke coming out of the barbecue, which is a good sign. I've lifted up the barbecue so that you guys can see the smoked chips and the salmon at the same time getting smoked. Two and a half hours later, the salmon is ready to be taken off the barbecue. Now we see the final product, smoked salmon. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like my video and share it.